In this video, I will show you how to enable recording on Google Meet. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So on Google Meet, especially if you are on the host, you are going to go to the bottom right of the screen and press the button labeled as activities. And from there, you have the option of live streaming, recording, breakout room and polls. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on the recording. Click on the record rising button, and as you can see here, the recording will be saved to our Google Meet recording folder in our Google Drive. Plus, this is not that you can only record the video call, or you can only record the Google session or Google Meet if you have premium plan. Make sure that the first you have the premium plan and you will be able to do that, or you can enable the start recording option. Now simply click on the start recording, and it's going to ask you to make sure that everyone is ready, because sometimes there are circumstances that we are not prepared when we record. But we are going to simply press the start, and this time, as you can see here on the top right or the left of our screen, it will say that this meet is being recorded, and that's how you can record your Google Meet, and that's it.